Hello dear students, today we are visiting Electrical Power System Lab. An Electrical Power System Lab is one of the most important lab. Here we are going to perform various practicals starting from electrical power generation, transmission and distribution, utilization, switchgear and protection, and wind power technologies. Here you can see notice board. On notice board, list of practicals are given. Then here you can see the layout of the complete lab as well as the timetable. Lab timetable is given here. Above the notice board you can see the program outcomes. Program outcomes for electrical department, it is also known as POs. 10 program outcomes are given. So while performing practicals, you have to correlate these program outcomes with your practical title. Here vision and mission of electrical department is given. Then electrical safety is also mentioned here. While performing practical, you have to take all the safety precautions which is mentioned here. Now let us have the look on various equipments available in the lab. First we have simulation panel for differential protection of transformer. On this panel you can perform various tests related to the protection of transformer like HV test, LV test. Next we have simulation panel for protection scheme of 3-phase induction motor. Here you can see the 3-phase induction motor is equipped with this simulation panel. You can perform tests related to the induction motor here. Next we have relay testing kit. This is numerical protection relay. On this relay testing kit you can perform different tests on the relay. Here we have advanced electromechanical overcurrent relay. Above the equipment we have banner which contains equipment information and operating procedure. So you can check the connection, you can cross check the operating procedure from here. Now this is oil testing kit. Here the dielectric strength of oil is measured. Then next we have relay testing kit, relay testing set. The testing which we have previously seen last kit. So same testing we can perform here on this relay testing set. Then these are the models which are prepared by the students under micro project. Here you can see the model of nacelle. This is the model of horizontal axis wind turbine. You can see various models of towers, hybrid electric tower, then tubular tower, then steel tower, concrete tower. This is the vertical axis wind turbine model. So all these models are prepared by the students under wind power technology subject. Next, this is the wind van which is used to find out the direction, at what direction the wind is flowing. Then next we have cup counter anemometer. This is the device which is used to measure the speed of the wind. The wind velocity we can measure by using this equipment. These are the various models of circuit breaker, isolators and fuses. All these you are going to study in detail in switchgear and protection subject. Now this is 3-phase alternator demo protection panel. Here you can perform the various practicals as well as simulation for protecting the 3-phase alternator. Again, these are the various models prepared by the student under subject switchgear and protection. This is the complete laboratory. Here you can see the seating arrangement for students. So this is a power system lab which is very much important. Here you are going to link theoretical part which you are going to study under various power system subjects We are going to link all this theoretical part with the practical. So in this way, today we have visited Electrical Power System lab. If you have any doubt related to this lab, you can message in the comment box and ask your doubts. Thank you so much.